Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This the Energizer Rechargeable battery kit. World first battery made with 15% recycled material. So this kit comes with the charger and then an adapter, and also come with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the AA battery and 4 of the AAA batteries. It says 1 hour charge. Ensure a fully charged in an hour or less, and helps to maximize battery performance. 1 to 4 individual charger channel. So that means you can charge this one battery at a time, 2, 3, or 4. So the AA, it could go up to 2300 milliamp for 60 minutes. And then the AAA maximum is 800 milliamp Henry for 80 minutes. So yeah, if you guys want to help out to save the earth, try not to purchase those alkaline battery, and those battery tends to leak and go over to the landfill, which is not good for our earth. So by the way, original retail price on this was like $22.99 each pack, and then I got this at a Costco, so it was on sale for $10 off, which is $12.99 for the whole pack, which is an awesome deal. I mean, with the inflation and everything's going up, and you cannot go wrong. I might go back there and pick up some more, because just the battery itself for 4 of them, probably about $10 already. So anyway, I'm going to unbox one of this. So this is the charging adapter. So the output is 16 volt at 1.3 amp. And then the adapter is good for 100 to 240 volt, 50/60 hertz at 28 watt. And come with this instruction booklet. So yeah, make sure you don't charge reverse polarity, okay? Wow, pretty nice. Let me plug it in and see how it display. By the way, in case you guys purchase this for the first time, this is the battery for the AA. Might be tricky. So it's like tilting in an angle. With my end loop, it's tilting like this way, okay? So with the AAA battery, is this way. So I'm gonna plug this one into the wall outlet. and see how it charges. So yeah, this one's a pretty nice charger. This is the negative right here, and those are the positive terminal, okay? I'm gonna plug in. So if I put a single one, it shows one icon. Let me see what happens if I put a AA battery in there. Well, unfortunately, they only have one indicator right there for charging. With my inner loop, there's like an individual LED. Well, anyway, this kit is pretty good price. I mean, for $12.99, you cannot go wrong, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.